Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another episode of Outfit from Scratch. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Anushi and my birthday is near, which is on 1st of April. I know, don't comment. Guys, I have already uploaded a video on Outfit from Scratch, which was episode 1, and you guys loved it, especially the blouse and the lehenga that I designed. Most of you guys commented that you guys loved the blouse, so I am so much thankful, pushed and motivated, so I decided to make episode 2 of this Outfit from Scratch video. And the previous video, if you haven't checked that out already, then I'll link that down in the description. Don't forget to check it out from there. And I hope you will like it. So moving on to this video, this is very special to me because my birthday is coming, as I have already said, and I'm going to design a dress, a sexy one piece, satin one piece. I'm going to design it and I'm very excited for it. It's my birthday coming and I'm going to gift it to myself. So let's see how it goes. चलो चलते हैं. One other important announcement, guys. Many of you guys have commented in my previous video that who is the tailor that stitches my outfit, and also in this video I am going to give all the description of her, so don't forget to check it as well, and do watch this video fully to know about her and many things, and you can also design your outfit from scratch. So guys, today we were going to College Street because my sister had to buy some books and I thought of utilizing the day, so I am going, and hopefully I'll find a fabric shop there because I don't know anything. I'm not familiar with the locations of fabric shops in Kolkata because Mumbai होता तो अच्छा होता, लेकिन अब क्या करें. Let's go.
Riding Tanarishka after years, it feels so freaking dangerous. Feels like ei pore jabo tarpor ei guli change oi guli change. Guys, can you see the effort to find a single fabric shop? See this exhausted face, और थोड़ा सा रहम करो by suggesting me location or name of any of the fabric shop in Kolkata. Thank God, अब रानी ज़मीन पे पैर रखेगी. Lol. This is the shop near MG Road. It's somewhere near the metro station, I guess. And there's this shop where I found satin, but not the exact color that I was looking for. Plus, the satin was not pure at all. So it's a no. It's very important to buy the pure version of the fabric that we are looking for. We don't get the exact type of outfit after it's made. The only reason is the fabric quality, the fall of the fabric, the shine of the fabric. So better to search more but not buy the wrong one. After so much of hunting, finally found a shop known as MS Handloom Cottage, Mahatma Gandhi Road. And just before this, I went to the ATM and withdrew 500 rupees. Not going to cost rupees 500, but it's always better to stay safe. So this is the shop and let's get inside. I found quite a few colors of satin and also found other fabrics like dupin silk, khadi, etc. So this shop is a good recommendation for you guys. You may visit this shop, but please don't compare this with any of Mumbai's fabric shop, huh? Also, I was looking for a satin fabric which is light color and also shiny at the same time, and I found it finally and I'm happy now.
Now
I'm going to auntie's shop to get my outfit stitched, and if you want your outfit to be exactly how you thought it should be, then you have to explain it well to your tailor, like how I will be doing. So yeah, let's go. Now, take the work seriously, as you have to explain each and every part of your outfit to the tailor very clearly and properly. Now, auntie is very familiar to me and my styles, and in case you are planning for a new tailor altogether, all the best. Due to some reasons, I had to change the length of the dress from mini length to knee length, and I bought only 3.5 meters of the fabric, and now I wasn't sure that it would be enough or not until auntie measured and said no, it's enough. And so guys, it's always better to buy some meters extra to be in safe, which can be later used by you to make anything that you wish to, but it's better to buy some meters extra. Now, starting off with the measurements, the outfit which I designed is a body fitted one, so we need to be very careful with our measurements if you want your outfit to be perfect in terms of fittings. Once again, I repeat, be very careful with your measurements, and also note it's important to leave some seams extra in case your physical body measurements changes in future. And in case you find you need some kind of variation in terms of the fittings part, please explain and go for it. So I'm done explaining my part. Now it's her job to make the outfit, and I really hope that the dress